Hey guys, today I'm gonna use the EMF to go in the air shelter thingy, roll, whatever. I don't really think it's that good, but let's see.
Hi guys, we're in Stockport air raid shelter. So this was have you got your EMF reading on? Right. So we've got the EMF just in case we see any ghosts, but I don't think it's that scary. It's just underground though, pretty cool. So they made these in the Second World War.
He's saying this isn't scary.
To hide up. Yeah. I can hear haunting music. It's quite big though. Sick bay. Oh wow, which way do we go?
No. Dad, it says.
No, Harley. I just want to explore stuff.
No, Dad. No, it says this way.
Sometimes you have to break a few rules, mate.
No, Dad, actually stop. Dad, we're not supposed to go in there.
You can walk around.
No, Dad, this is this way.
Self-guided tour. EMF? Showing anything?
No.
Get out!
Should we go in there? It says nurses only, but...
Well, I do need a way.
No, Dad. It says nurses only.
Okay.
Oh, look at this.
It's quite warm under here though, isn't it? Isn't it quite warm?
Yeah, it's probably heaters. Men this way.
Ah, so they had...
This car. What? No, I just felt like a draft.
What's that saying? Oh wow.
It's an air shelter. It just spiked to red.
Where?
No, it just spiked to red, like right here. Spiked to red. Probably just a glitch. It said go that way.
Like a maze.
I'm scared. Guys, if you like this video, please like and subscribe and leave that bell ringing, my mates. And goodbye, see you in the next video. Kaploo.